Do not go anywhere because in this review video, we're going over not one, not two, but three Koa Elite Koa Wood. We're going to go over the Koa Wood Tenor Concert and the Super Tenor. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and you're in for a really special treat as we go over these Koa Elites. And yes, that is right. I am one of very few Koa Elite dealers in the entire world at the #1 store, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. But let's slow down a little bit. Let's slow down. I appreciate you being here. We're going to go over three Koa Elites in Koa Wood. They're all basically the same, except one's a concert, one's a tenor, and one is a super tenor. I figure we'll put them all together in this video for you. We'll go over all the specs. I'll do some playing, measurements, everything you need to know. But if you like ukulele tutorials, reviews, challenges, giveaways, everything ukulele, this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and then throughout this video, if there's anything you like, something I say, something I do, something I play, something you see, make sure to leave a comment, smash that like button, and share the video with your other ukulele friends. So, are you ready? Sit back, relax. Let me go over these three amazing Koa Elite, made in the USA, Koa Wood ukuleles. All right, we're going to start with the concert. Again, these three that we're about to show you, the concert, the tenor, and the super tenor are essentially the same as far as everything that's on them. The only thing that's different is the measurements, the size, and, well, obviously, the wood grain. Now, no matter when you're watching this video, if you're at the store.ukelikethepros.com, you will receive the ukulele that we have in the photos. Okay, I do this video so you can hear them. But then when you're actually on the store, we take individual photos of all these really nice ukuleles so you know exactly which one you're going to get. All right, so check this out. Look at this. This is some premium Koa right here. Look at that. Beautiful colors, beautiful wood grain, beautiful curl on this one as well. Again, this is the concert size, but just absolutely stunning. Check this out. This is a gloss, by the way. They all have gloss finish. They're all made in the USA, and I'm really proud that I was asked by Koa to be one of their very few elite dealers that have been entrusted with these beautiful instruments. By the way, each one of these does come with a certificate of authenticity. There we go. And the Koa Elite cases that each one of these comes with. Now, a couple other things that really stand out here is look at this rosette. You got the Koa and the maple swirl. You got the black purfling here, and then check this out. Look at that flame maple top and bottom binding. Of course, this is all premium Koa, solid Hawaiian Koa, made, grown in Hawaii. There you go. Boom, right there. And these are made in the USA right here in California, up in Petaluma at the Koa Elite factory. All right, let me just do a little playing. We'll go over the rest of the specs of this concert. Don't forget, we have the tenor and the super tenor to go as well. What do you think? It does have a high G. It does have the black nylon strings on it. Now, we flip it over. Satin neck here. They went with the Goto tuners. You know how they upgraded to the nice Goto tuners. Absolutely fantastic. You got the beautiful Koa headstock here. Mother of pearl inlay with the Koa. Well, actually, that looks like, yeah, it looks like, might be ebony. Actually, it's really kind of dark right there, the head plate. Yeah, probably ebony. rosewood. Really, really beautiful wood. I'm trying to look at it here. So hard exactly to tell what it is, but we'll go with one of those two. You have 1.5 inches. That's right, 1.5 inches. How cool is that? Most concerts are 1 3/4 inches. So if you like a little bit of extra width, right there perfectly, then you have the 15 3/8 concert scale length here. You have the ebony fretboard and then the mother of pearl inlay. So what do you think? Absolutely stunning. This one is the concert. Listen to that Koa Wood. What is Koa Wood? By the way, this is the tenor, and it does have a wound low G on it. So Koa Wood, made in Hawaii. Made is grown in Hawaii. Warm, lush, full. Just a beautiful resonance. Just an absolutely stunning wood. Not too bright, not too warm sounding. Just really nice, beautiful, beautiful sound, lush sound. I mean, this is what we strive for right here. All right, so this is the tenor side. Everything is the same. By the way, the headstock is ebony. Had to check my notes there. But anyway, everything's the same. Premium Koa wood. Boom. Beautiful rosette of koa and maple. You got the binding, premium wood. Look at the curl on this beauty right there. I mean, just absolutely stunning. The only difference with this one is that you do, well, same 1.5 inches nut width here. And then you do have the 17-inch scale length. So just a little bit of a bigger body, the longer scale length, which makes this the tenor. All right, let me just do a little finger picking before I grab that last one, which is the super tenor. Do I love me some tenor? By the way, that was a piece I wrote that we did as one of our challenges for all our premium members over at ukelikethepros.com. Check out that membership. Fantastic worldwide community, over 20 courses, live Q&As, live challenges, giveaways, everything over at ukelikethepros.com. So all right, this is the tenor size. We got one more to go. Now we have the super tenor. All right, this is one of my favorite models that Koa makes, which is a super tenor model. XL, maybe you might hear it as. And what it does is they've taken the body, they've made it a little bit wider here in the lower bow, right? So it's going to give you a little bit of a bigger, fuller, bassy, a little bit more bass in the sound. And then what they've done is they've extended the scale lengths to 19 inches. Okay, you still have the 1.5 inches here, but 19-inch scaling. So you get a little bit more space in between the frets, and you get a little bit of the bigger sound. Again, everything's the same, but all the woods and everything, just the specs of the super tenor. Don't forget, these all do come with a hard shell case, store.ukelikethepros.com. What do you think so far? Leave a comment below. Let me play this super tenor. Let's see how it sounds. Is that magic right there? What do you think? Which one do you like? Concert, tenor, or the super tenor? Leave that comment below. Man, as you look at Koa Wood, the more you look at it, the more the light changes. You can just see the colors, the variations, the curl that really pop. And when you're holding this, trust me, when you're holding it live, it's even more so. That's going to be absolutely amazing. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it, but they do have a satin finish here. Really very woodsy almost feeling on the neck. I don't know if I mentioned that before. But anyway, this is the Koa Elite, made right here in the USA, made right here in California, where I am. And these models, the Koa, concert, tenor, and the super tenor, all available. Store.ukelikethepros.com. Let me do a little finger picking on this one before we get out of here. So, all right, there you go. Concert, tenor, and the super tenor, Koa Wood from Koa Elite Store.ukelikethepros.com. What do you think? Which one are you gonna go home with right now? The concert, the tenor, or the big one, the super tenor? So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget, if you want to find us, we got a Patreon page as well. You can find us on all the social media platforms. I appreciate you subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, smashing the like button, sharing this video, all that stuff. You're awesome. You're amazing. And that's it. I'm out of here. We'll see you in the next one.